There we go. Okay. How's it going, everyone? Today we're gonna go back to you know, the common stuff. Let's make this bigger. Yeah, today we're gonna be going over the more common stuff, um, like changing some human interaction with our website, making sure that things happen before we even get to asking a second question, making sure submits work perfectly, all those things. So that's kind of what we're going to be doing today. Um, so as you can see right over here, we're basically going to be working with some jQueries, and then after that, we're going to figure some stuff out. This is also all on InstaRiz. I want to check it out. Right now, it's not really working that well, so like I don't know, kind of don't go to it, but you know, it is what it is. So we're here, and I think the problem right now is that we put in some name, like let's just put up pickup line, and this works perfectly because if you press enter, you can see key up. If you press enter, it's going to do a handle submit. If you press on this, it's also going to submit. The problem comes when you're on mobile because I added in this focus out right here. And what happens is that when you do a focus out, it's like essentially like when you're on your mobile device, you close the keyboard. That's a focus out event, and that's going to go to the handle submit. And that problem is because creates a problem. Why is it funny? Okay, really? Sometimes. Um, and so what happens, right, is that you end up with a double submit. And so you can see what happens when you have a double submit. So if I say like, let's put a name like Hannah, and then I submit twice. This does not actually stop. It doesn't actually finish the function. It does not finish the handle submit function. Um, it just doesn't. So you end up not being able to do it because you send it to OpenAI. OpenAI sends it back to you, but it takes too long. So you already hit submit twice. So that means that you do this one, and then you hit submit a third time. So the person submits nothing again, and the website's like, "Bro, what are you doing?" And then you end up going back to here once more. So as you can tell by the handle submit, essentially we await a fetch, right? We wait on this to happen before. But because JS is asynchronous, we're asking it 3 times. And I want to get rid of that. I want to make sure that we can get rid of that. So now that I think of it, maybe getting rid of this await fetch might be good. Because if we get rid of that await, maybe it forces us to have to do that first. I don't like that this is asynchronous though. So if we take this out, we take out the event. Maybe this works. Maybe this works. Okay, maybe if we do all that, we go to terminal. We go to InstaRiz. We add it. We commit, and then we push, right? And then put in our password. Then maybe we get lucky. Maybe we get lucky. If we get lucky, that would be really good. But we have to check. So we're gonna check this by just putting in int pickup line, and then we're gonna hit submit again. So you see, that's a problem. We don't want that to happen. We don't want that to happen. It was in the middle of it, and then it couldn't await this, even though we have all these await functions. So this didn't help at all. This asynchronous and this await change did not change at all. I think we need an await here so that we do await this. Clear interval, load interval, message div, internal HTML is equal to that, and then something went wrong. Yeah. This is kind of weird. I think this is one. Actually, while we're at it, we're just gonna open up. We're just gonna open up terminal on this because I hate using. What? Can it not give me terminal here? That's a little sketch. What? Okay, hold on. This is annoying me. Right. Okay. It's actually really interesting that it's not even. I'm gonna quit this. We're gonna go back up here. Okay, so there is that. Let's just quit Visual Studio Code for a second here, because I do want to open it on it. Yeah, and now it's back. You see that? That's so weird. And now it's giving me. Yes. Okay. So this is giving me some troubles here with the await. And let's see what it's saying. Add asynchronous modifier to contain. Okay, so maybe that does change something. It's an await response. This is an await. This is an asynchronous. So let's just save that. And then open up a terminal, new terminal, where we go into. Actually, I think I should just have it. Yeah. We add this. You gotta commit, and then you just origin main. Put the password in. And this is all for what? Hopefully this works. I don't really know what we're looking for, but kind of have to guess. Let's do pickup line, and then just send in something. So I press send, and it made me submit twice, which is kind of weird. Let's do, and then press this. So this send command is actually doing something really weird now. The submit, hello, and then let's submit. It cannot handle a submit button, which means that I think I'm submitting twice. No, I'm submitting once. Prompt. So let's just. We're just gonna get rid of all that. Get rid of the await. Okay, and then what does this do? Let's see. Git add, git commit, git push origin main. Okay, that should have changed it. Not sure. Give me a second. But I'm not sure. It's like one of those things where I'm not really sure. Hold up. Send something. So change of focus, right? Should do something. And then maybe I do pickup line. Oh man, it really does not like that. Okay. I can't send anything using this button anymore. Did I get an email from Vercel? Failed product deployment. So let's get rid of this focus out thing. Like, do we even need this? Like, focus out, handle submit? What happens if we do that? Also, apparently my commit just didn't work. Like, my deployment's not working anymore, which is kind of weird to me because I'm pretty sure nothing's changed from the very beginning. So that's a little concerning. I might be wrong though. Let me check my GitHub. And let's go to, there's been 65. Oh my god. Crazy. Oh, these were like from 7 minutes ago that I'm getting now. When was it that I actually, like, it actually wasn't AIDS? I think this one was a good day. I'm not sure. Wait, let me see the commit though. DaVinci. Oh, I changed this stuff. I kind of want to see all the files though. I guess I don't get to see them. Okay, whatever. Let's reopen this. Change focus apparently doesn't matter. Wait, maybe if I change this, come back. No. Hello? Like I'm talking to the void. Wow. I can't submit. Submitting is not working. Huh. Imagine. That's kind of verified. Server. Oh, I don't know. DaVinci. Here's the thing. I don't remember what I did exactly that actually worked. I can check my other one, which is called FinHelp, and check that one. That one probably can help me here. It's this one right here. At the very end, I have submit. Focus out is last. This one, I have submit last, and interestingly enough, which apparently is becoming a problem. So I have this here, and this works. Git add, commit, git push origin main. So if this works, that is actually going to be really interesting, because that would mean one of my biggest problems is the order in which I handle ad event listeners, which will be kind of annoying, because if I'm on a mobile phone, right, I would want the focus out to go first. But on a computer, I want the submit to be first. So I think all I know though is that, like, I low key in both cases want my key up to be the first thing because it won't affect anything else. So let's put a name here like wow. Wow the ahaha. Oh no, it won't work either. That's really weird. My submit button doesn't work. What could that mean? What could that mean that my handle submit's not working? Do you think it's the focus out? If I take out the focus out, right? Let's just say I take this out. If I take this out, then that would mean what? Gad, git commit. I wish people would just like send their like really smart friends here to like dunk on me, but like also help me at the same time. Like I feel like I would mind being dunked on, but I also just wouldn't. I kind of want someone to be here telling me what to do in a really condescending way to make me feel a little bit dumb, but like make me remember. Let's do Rizzard. The Rizzard. Rizzard, the living wizard. So that didn't work. That didn't. Do you think it's because I still have this await thing here? There's no way that the await is the thing getting me. The difference between these two is like almost nothing, right? The await, post, await, fetch. Post, await, fetch. Async. This is also async. Yeah, bro. All of this is the same now. Okay, all of this is the same. We shouldn't have any problems. If I do, I'm gonna be kind of mad because I didn't have any of these problems with FinHelp. Or maybe I did, but I didn't realize it. Wait, actually, let's check. FinHelp. AI. Let's just put in something. Oh, yes, all the ads. Hello. Oh my gosh, I did have this problem. And I just didn't realize it. How? I guess my key up is the only thing that works. Why does this submit twice? Let's think about this. Why does this submit twice? What happens if I just do that? Like, does this even work? I don't know. Okay, this is stupid because that won't work. Git add, git commit, push origin main. If we do that, if we do this, maybe, if we just add in the E, because then it should take the E, right? And then e.prevent default. And then from there it does all this stuff. That's probably what it is, right? Pickup line. There we go. We finally got that one to work. What's the best? Okay, that's a little bit much. So I will have to actually change this after. This should be E. And this should also probably be E. Now that that's working, it makes me feel like I messed something else up somewhere along the way. This is probably also E. So let's just submit this. Let's see how that works. Commit origin. You see, I feel like I'm an AI learning this stuff. Like, it's just so weird. Just so weird. How JavaScript works. And I'm probably running through all my credits right now. I'm just gonna comment this out now that I think about it. Just don't tell anyone. I don't want to burn through my credits. Let's not use this. Hold up. Okay. Let's not burn through my credits. And let's see if this works. So we're gonna refresh the page. We're gonna put something in like Nina, the prettiest thing I've ever seen. J. Cole lines for days. And we're gonna see if we just focus out. If we just, I don't know how to focus out on this, but if we just submit that, that you see that messed up. That's something there happened. Something there happened. If I do, yeah, don't work anymore. That's interesting. Let's see if it was this problem though. Get add. Submit handler. Push origin. Dude, I'm killing this fucking repository, but I kind of need to. I'm gonna have like 90 for sell emails because I have it email me every time I update it. So this is so bad. Okay, let's send this. That didn't work. Okay, so this was not the problem. We're just gonna pretend like we didn't do that. Okay. So if that's not it, then maybe the focus out thing, maybe, okay, let's try this. Let's put the focus out in the start, right? If we put the focus out like we did, no, we did not do that here. We put, okay, whatever. Let's check this. Okay, add. Submit handler, foc out first. Submit that, and then push origin main. Then we get some more bearings. We can get some more bearings on what's happening. Damn, I've been recording for 23 minutes. I'm a coding fiend, man. Coding fiend. Check YouTube, dude. Check YouTube. Let's see if I got those views, bro. Oh. Don't look at that. Guys, stop looking at that. Guys, stop. Oh, those views, though. Stop. Okay, we're gonna stop. So if we do this now, and we do something like pickup line. That doesn't work either. Well, was it only when I had it broken that it worked? Like this? Was that when it worked? I think so. Maybe I was supposed to only do one. Push origin main. And now that I have that, I can just like re-up the website. Also, let me know if my audio quality is like too bad to actually listen to here. It's like pretty important. And or if I'm boring. That might be it. But I doubt it, I got a good personality out here. I don't know how to talk to a mic though, or to no one. It's been kind of hard. I got no chat to talk to. Yesterday I got some chat, you know. Maybe I should be my own chat. Hey, how's it going? Probably not. Who cares? Anyways, I don't need friends. So we're gonna just try to submit witty. So no. I just legitimately cannot send out things with this focus out handle submit thing. I can't. Like, I just can't submit stuff. Which means that maybe I have to put in the back. But last time that didn't work out too well either. So we're gonna get add. We're gonna then do this. And then we're gonna push origin main. Check if this works. If this doesn't work, welcome to InstaRiz. Where you dry up instantly. It's true. Let's do witty again, because hopefully that works. You see that? You see that? Yeah, I saw that too. That was a problem. So I think what was happening, correct me if I'm wrong. Wait, we could check this with what was it? Set time JavaScript. There's something like this where it will like it's probably not this actually, now that I think about it. It's like probably like wait time. Wait time. No, stop. Wait time Java. Wait time JavaScript. How delay? Yeah, how do I delay? Thread.sleep. That sounds bad. That sounds like not what I want. I don't want it to sleep. I just want it to like wait. Add delay, wait, sleep, stop. Nah, I don't want Java. JavaScript. There we go. I don't want to do a wait function. Delay, sleep, pause. JSON. Set timeout. There we go. That's kind of what I want to see. So what I'm going to do, I wish I could see the console logs. Can I see that in Vercel? Probably. Anyways, we're just gonna do this. We're just gonna put that here. But like the E. And we're gonna get rid of that. We're gonna go to console dot log E. Set time? Really? Come on. Set timeout. That's like a good one. Like this is like a real one that I can use. Why can't I use it? Why are you like this? Oh my god. Does that work? What's the problem here? Expected. Okay. Happy. Asshole. Does that work? No. Okay. There. What's this gonna complain about? Expected? Wait, why do you expect that? Why the fuck? Why? Hold up. I don't know syntax here too well. Set timeout in and add event listener. Huh? Yeah, there we go. Time set out function, which would be be this handle submit function, by the way. So that's what we know. And then we would have the time that it stops. Okay, that should, nope, what? Click function. It should probably be async. Yeah, it should probably be like this, right? Yeah, that would make sense. Except this is going to be handle submit. Set time out. Handle submit E. And then we're gonna do 5,000. Close that. Console log. And then we're gonna put E. I need to know what this is because it's not letting me figure it out. Do I need this? Expected that. From what? Hey? Where is this coming from? Oh, do I not even need this? That's probably why. And then this can just go. Yeah, that makes sense because I don't have the timeout. Okay, so there's that. Maybe I should go to Vercel then. Insta-Riz, check out the console. View build log. Is it really the build log that I want to check? Running check. Building. Not really, it's not this building. I just want to see the functions. Source, deployment. Huh. It's kind of hard to see the yeah, it's kind of hard to see what this is if I'm not it's not local, and I don't know where I would find it actually. So maybe I just go back here. It's like view function logs. That's what would make sense, but there's no functions. Add a function to your project in order to for it to show up here. Like I learn more. Oh my gosh, edgewire, cache functions, edge functions. I don't really have any of those, so I don't think it's really worth. But what I can do, the thing, I can't do it locally. But I think this set timeout helps a little bit. This helps a little bit. Okay, let's see. So if we just, per se, we just, you know, we commit, and then we push it. Then what should happen is that we get, let's think about this logically. Basically, it's either we're going to press enter, we're going to submit it by pressing the submit button, we're going to have a focus out event, which is going to be asynchronous, which essentially just means that it's going to be able to happen even if something else is happening, which is like not exactly what we want, but whatever. And then it's going to do set timeout, and then it's going to handle submit. Nice. This is interesting. Okay. We're just gonna put in Nina, and then I instantly lost it. How is that even possible? There's no way. And you're telling me if I get rid of this and I send it, get add. No, I have to commit. There we go. And then we push origin. So we do that. You're telling me that right here, I'll put in Jaime. This is gonna work. No, that doesn't work. You see? This doesn't work anymore. At all. Why does this not work at all? It's actually really interesting why it doesn't work. Domains stopped. Okay, so I've lost my domain. That's actually pretty funny. That's kind of concerning, actually. Okay, we're back to InstaRiz. But I'm kind of concerned why this is happening this way. When I'm submitting my event, it's not. Do I actually need this? Is that what do I have to not care? Okay, wait. Okay, add, let's commit. Push origin main. Hee. No, it's not that. It's just it's just not working at all. Okay, if I do, so if I press enter, what? If I press enter, it's not doing anything, which is actually pretty interesting. Because that means I'm messing up somewhere. Hey, what happens if I just delete everything that I changed here, which I know has been this, and add it to this? Because this is not working anymore at all. So, okay, now it's working, I think. So that's a key up command. The key up command apparently is working. Well, it depends on whether or not this responds, but it seems like it's working. I feel like this is low-key just a story of Noah. It's just like me lost in the forest for 40 years, even though the answer is like right underneath my nose. And this is taking forever, which kind of makes me feel like we're waiting on this post command that will never come. Like we're waiting on something that will never come. And if that's the case, I'm just gonna git add, git commit, and then git push. Oh no. Seymour Ninas are the hottest girls. Okay. For a girl named Nina. I don't know. But there's that, and then we can, put in the classic name, Drake. Drake submit that, and have the website decide that no, in fact, he should shut up. And to that I say, yeah, it kind of makes sense. Let's see if we do async and we try to do that. Like, does that work? I don't know. Seems like it should, right? I have no idea. Because we're gonna commit. Then we're gonna add push origin main. So we're just gonna got so many commits. Oh my god. So it's all worth it though. Fraud. Oh, I press enter like a fool. Oh, wait, let me read this. This seems kind of funny. Guy, girl, you're like a fraud because I can't believe you're real. Girl, are you a magician? Guy, girl, you're like a magician because I can't forget how you did it. Girl, are you a magician? Guy, girl, you're like a magician because I can't figure out how you did it. Girl, are you a magician? Oh my god. It somehow sounds like an AI robot. Okay, we're gonna do Drake. And we're going to press submit. Why? Tell me why I have nothing but heartbreak. Tell me why. Why this is just but a mistake. Tell me why. All I want to hear you say is I have an 8 a.m. tomorrow. Okay, we're gonna do Drake, Drizzy, Dizzy Boy, Champagne. Oh god. Popper. And we're gonna press submit. This is the funniest and clever pick up for that name. Drake, Drizzy Boy, Champagne Popper. I would love to be in your. Hey, look, all these pickup lines that I trained it on, not my fault, guys. Not my fault. At all, okay? That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. It's not my fault. It's someone else's fault, just not mine. Like, hey, look, some of these are fucking great. Like, funniest pickup lines for someone named Pickup Line. Hi, can I be your baseball jersey? Wait for her response. You know your name. You know your name and number. Prompt. Funniest pickup line for someone named Daisy. It might be weird, but I have an incredible urge to plant you right here. Great pickup lines. Great pickup lines. Now, this one, yeah. I don't know. Probably not the best, but what I can say is that they're not bad. Okay, we also got this to finally work without the event E. So let's just check that out one more time. With Madonna Michaels. It's not a person, but it just sounds weird. I'm gonna press it and works. Okay, so I don't know why the async doesn't work. I don't know why putting in the E. What is the hottest pickup line? What, I didn't even ask that. What is the most original pickup? I swear to God, sometimes, like, this AI picks up some like stutters, and it just can't stop saying the same thing over and over again in the same like 5 ways. It gets kind of annoying. What can you do? So we're gonna take this out. We're just gonna have it do handle submit and 5,000. So if we do this, add, commit, push origin main, then we put in our password, as we've done one too many times before. We're gonna refresh this page. We're gonna pick up lines for hot mamicitas. Oh god, that was a really bad spelling. But we're gonna press that, and it works now with the handle submit of the submit. So what? Are you a toaster? Because I want to take a bath in you. Pick up lines for hot moments. Can I take a sip of your drink? No. What are you, a doctor? What's the difference between you and a dollar bill? I can buy a pickup line for hot mamacitas with a dollar bill. Yeah, I don't know, man. I think it's kind of funny. Is your name pickup line for hot? No. I did not trade it on anything that said this. Not my fault. Not my fault. That was completely the AI's fault, okay? Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to check it on my phone, because it seems like the phone is what's giving me the most problems. So I have to go to inseriz.com, mobile, and we're going to put in something like Harriet. I guess Harley, because that's what it auto-corrected to. And then we're going to press submit. But then it pressed twice. And I had this set timeout. So please. Yeah. So I think the problem right here is that I'm sending it. It's waiting. And then because I have the focus out command, this happens. So I actually wish I knew. Let's think about this. What is the focus out event when you leave your keyboard in iOS? Focus out event, web API. Here we go. Focus out event. Event does something. Apparently, focus event comes from the UI event, which comes from an event. Obviously, event properties. This interface also inherently has inherent properties from its parent UI event. It is indirectly from event, focus event dot relevant target. The event receives focus if any example, live code HTML. Okay, this does not help me. Focus in. I've been using focus in, right? I've been using focus out. Focus out. Okay. Qué manera de olvido. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. No, 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 no. No, I can feel it, yeah, baby. Taking a hold of me. So what we're gonna do, funny enough, is do two things. One, because I pressed the submit button before I pressed the event holder, I'm going to do a focus in. Focus in. And I'm not going to have a handle submit, but what I'm going to do is that I'm going to have a constant async e, this little dotty thingy, create something, yeah. I'm gonna make a constant, okay, and this is going to equal to a boolean. I don't know how to do booleans, but we're just gonna, I don't know. We're gonna constant submit thing. It's a really bad name convention. Let's do submit determiner is equal to false, okay? And if we know that it's false, then if it has a focus in, we know that we're going to be inside the keyboard. So this will become focus submit determiner is equal to true, okay? And what does this mean? If we are in submit determiner is equal to true, that means that we are inside our keyboard. So we're just going to put that over here. In the keyboard of iOS, right? Because we can only focus in iOS. So if we're focusing in our iOS, that also means that if the submit determiner is equal to true, right? We want to make sure that it's equal to true. If all these things are true, then and only then can we decide that we're going to do the set timeout handle. But also, one thing, we've just left. So we're also going to do submit determiner is equal now to false, right? Because we just left it. But if not, then nothing happens, right? Except for else. Else, we just gotta make sure that we prevent the default, because the default is just when you have an event listener happen, it basically just like tells your page to refresh. You don't want that. You want to make sure that you prevent default. So that's what we're going to do here. But that's only if it's true. And so what we're going to do within our event listener submit, I think what would be prudent is if we do an if statement. If we do the if the submit determiner, right, is equal to true while we're inside the keyboard, right? If we're inside the keyboard and it's true, that means that someone just pressed it while inside the keyboard, which means that we're going to set it off twice, which we do not want. We do not want that to happen. So what? Argument expression. Oh, I guess I have to write something in here. That means that we're inside the keyboard. We don't want to be inside the keyboard because we just pressed the submit button. So what we have to do is actually make submit determiner equal to false, because we're no longer out we're no longer in the keyboard. Our focus is no longer on that. But the other thing too, interestingly enough, is that we still do want the handle submit to work. So we're gonna add that. Do I have to add async or something? Sure. Async, bro. Async. Async. Yeah. Sure. Basically, we set it to false so that while the handle, it's like the first thing that happens, so that once we set it to false, it won't go through here. I'll prevent default from that, and then I'll continue back to the admin sync. So at least that's the theory. That's the running theory. Also, while we're at this, we're just gonna leave that there. Not think about it. So we're gonna git add, git commit, and then push origin. Put in our password for the 90 millionth time. Realize that it's 12:30 and you have an 8 a.m. tomorrow, and then understand that you were putting in something like hot mommies. Like, I don't know. It's late. And stop. What am I doing? Why did I just read that on my chat and then put that down? We're gonna put in something for Greg. So this button still works. Okay, at least gives me answers, okay? At least it gives me answers. At least it gives me answers. Okay, so let's refresh on my phone, see if that works. Drake, Drizzy. Okay, Drake Drizzle. And if I press it, it kills me. It kills me inside. It kills me inside. It kills me inside. That's what happens. Oh my god. It didn't work. Which could mean what? Maybe it didn't get to this when I read it. Hee. Submit. Oh yeah, it didn't update, that's why. Okay. Is that from this? Or is it from the other one? Good question. But I don't know. This could mean a lot of things, but I don't know. I don't know yet. I wish I could tell how many people are watching this. Probably not a lot. Sadly. I don't even have anyone in chat. Chat people, please come. Okay, that should have been long enough. Let's put in the HW, you know? Nah. Oh, wait, did we not save that? Oh my gosh, if we didn't save that, that's the reason. I would be so mad. If that's the case. Well, let's think about this. Async. Yeah, our submit does not really like this. Maybe we do await. Huh? expression expected. Yeah, I don't know how the await function works. Await function JavaScript? Huh? Async? That's not what I asked. It's not what I asked. Don't tempt me. Don't tempt me. Come on, right here. Await async function? No, come on. Oh my gosh. Await thinnable? Await thinnable, bro? Really? Until the promise is settled, that is fulfilled or rejected when. Oh, so the rest of them are async. Maybe this works. Maybe this works. I mean, await has no effect on this type of expression. Oh, okay, that's nice. That's nice to know. No, that's nice to know. Yeah. Then why does my asynchronous one not work? What happens if I just don't even do that? If I just do... What happens if I don't do any of this? Then it's like argument expression. I have to... Why? It's probably somewhere in this documentation, but I don't know where. Type. Submit type. Listener. I don't know, listener. The object that receives a notification, an object that implements the event interface with an event of specified type occurs. This must be null, an object with a handle event method. Funny that you say that, because we have a handle submit. Now, options. An object that specifies characteristics about the event listener. The available options are capture, a Boolean value indicating that the event of this type will be dispatched to the registered listener before being dispatched to any event target beneath it, the DOM tree. If not specified, defaults to false once. A Boolean indicates that the listener should be invoked as at most once after being added. If true, the listener would be automatically removed when invoked. If not, specified default. Passive is true indicates that the function specified by the listener will never call prevent default. If a passive listener does not call, will do nothing other than generate a console warning signal. An abort signal will remove when the given abort signal. Use capture. Want untrusted. Return value none. Usage notes. Don't do it. Bro. How do people do this on them? We're asking ChatGPT, because apparently they know everything. Try ChatGPT. How do people with their focus out, add event listener in JavaScript, because we don't have that mastery yet, but we might one day for mobile. To create a submit button that interacts well with the focus out event listener in JavaScript, you will need the following: create an ID or class that you will easily select it in your form. Add an event listener for the focus out event. Here's an example. Form. Okay, we added stuff. Okay, that's cool. Let's think about it. How to on mobile and laptop JavaScript, while also including the focus out add event listener that will advent that will submit when create. Okay, yeah, we know that. I don't know. By pressing enter. You see, this is a problem. I don't think it understands really well the focus in and the focus out aspects of this. I just don't think it does. Oh, maybe it's because... Okay, put the async back. I'm not even gonna listen to whatever how that had to say, because I feel like this should work. Okay, so let's say we have this as true. Well, this should work, right? It goes into the submit. Oh, let me add this. It goes into the submit. It says submit determiner is equal to true. So we're going to set the submit determiner equal to false, and then we're going to handle submit, which means that we've done it. But we can only do it once, so that's going to be interesting. Here, add, commit, push origin main. This is really the grind, dude. Hello? I don't know. Seems like a name. So it didn't. It didn't work. And I don't know if it's because it's the new one or... No. Okay, let's commit. Like, it's not that big of a difference, so it shouldn't take that long to, like, deploy something like that. But it's just, like, getting on my nerves that I don't know. Like, this should be drive. Let's just put drive in there. Like, let's just, you see, refresh, drive. And now my enter won't work. That is so weird. I'm gonna key up determiner. What? That's so weird. We have lost all functionality. Maybe the way that I define this constant is just wrong. Boolean in JavaScript. How do I define? I guess I have to use let. Maybe. Okay. I'm kind of interested why my enter button doesn't even work now. Because that's an interesting one. That means something else is happening. Let's just push this. See the magic mic. No, that doesn't work. That doesn't work. That's kind of weird. That's kind of weird. Let's see if that does anything. Because if I get push forward, commit, and it still doesn't work, then I don't know. I don't know what it could be. How long have I been doing this? An hour and 13 minutes. Oh my gosh. Wow, I code a lot. Hello? No. Nothing. Which kind of scares me. Okay. Which means that this didn't work at all. In fact, I think I have to go back to the regular stuff that we're using before this, before we do anything else. Okay, I just got an email telling me that apparently it's working now. So let's do it. Okay, so apparently it took Vercel a few minutes to deploy. And this will probably work. Okay. Because I haven't. Hold up. Well, this what? Did this not deploy? Because I might have to start just waiting for this stuff on Vercel. Yeah, let's check. View build log. Builds. Yeah. Deploy edge. No, that makes sense. It makes sense. It takes a little bit to update your... I think it takes a minute. I'm not sure how long it takes, but I feel like this should work. I'm just gonna wait for the email to come through, because once it comes through, then I'll know. But in the meantime, I just kind of have to wait for InstaRiz. Okay, I think that's close enough, right? Duration 5 seconds ago. It's pretty quick. So I'm gonna do hello. So submit. And I have lost the use once again of my enter key. Huh. Lost it again. And I got the successful deployment. Got everything I ever wanted, except for the fact that this won't work for some reason. It just won't work, which should probably tell me something. Probably like this let subdetermine equal true for some reason doesn't allow me. But I don't know, maybe it's just a... Maybe I just have to do handle submit. Like, let's see if this works. Because if this works, then we know it's the let handle submit. This is like process of elimination, and I'm just guessing wrong every time. That or I really don't know what's happening. It's probably the second thing. 3 minutes ago. Hey. Oh, now. My name is Hey You. Cute. And my enter button works. And my enter button works. Okay, let's try. Let's sub. Okay. Okay. Let's just see if this works. Just, you know, who knows? Get add. Get add. Git commit. Let's push to origin. I swear to God. What happens if I just played a game where every time this worked and every time it didn't, I would just take a shot? Like, I think I would be blasted off this world. Like, no way I would live. It's like, just zero way. Zero way. Like, okay, how about this? Drake. Submit. No. How about Drake now? Drake now? Drake later. 3, 2, 1. It's just let subdetermined equal false. For some reason, like, it's not. It won't let me. Why? It's so weird. I can't use it. I can't use any constants. Subdeterminant is declared, but his value is never read. Haha. Ha. Submit? No. I thought I could get it. Hey. Click hey. I can't press enter. Submit button? Nah. It won't work. Sly fool. So I can't really use this let thing. What happens if we put const? Subdeterminant is declared by his value is never How to set variables in JavaScript without them actually trying to kill us. It just won't let us. What's the difference? Example var x equals 5. This is declared with the let. These are undeclared. For all these values above, you can guess x stores the value of 5, y stores the value 6, z stores the value y. What are the uses? Always declare JavaScript or const. The var keyword is used in all JavaScript code from 1995 to 2015. Not doing that. The let and const keyword are used. Were added to JavaScript in 2015. If you want to code to run in older browsers, you must use var. When to use JavaScript const? Okay, I'll do that. Cool. Yeah, I'm just gonna use const then. Const is equal to false. Didn't know that, but now I do. So let's just send this in. We're gonna commit it, push to origin main, just, send that. Crazy. Any chatters? Didn't expect any. Here we go. Is this the one? I bet you it is. Knew it. I knew it. Bro, how am I supposed to do this? Const data is equal to new form data form? How am I supposed to know? Oh, maybe it's because I use false. Oh, that would make so much sense if the false in my... Yeah, not gonna lie, this IDE is trash. It's so bad for JavaScript, I think. It just doesn't care. Look, hopefully something will happen. So for real. Hold up. You can't be real. Oh my gosh. Okay, stop. Please stop. This, okay. We're just gonna get rid of that. I didn't want to read that. It's spreading too much bad energy, you know? Anyways. What we're going to do is we're going to realize that this actually works. The only problem is that this is true, and we're going to do let. So we're going to make sure that we're going to let subdeterminer equal true. I'm going to do that to make sure that everything understands. It has to end. Why? No, stop. Don't tell me it's unused. Don't tell me it's unused. It is used. You just don't know about it yet. There. Yeah? Yeah. Okay, this is equal to true. This is equal to false. We're going to let this equal to false. Oh, God. We're going to let this equal to false, okay? And the most important part about all of this is that we're also going to do this. Yeet. Yeet. Because that's important. And then we're going to prevent default. And then we're also going to add in the async. That's a lot. That's a lot. You know, that's actually a lot. Now we're going to do it. Async. We're going to make sure async. We're going to actually stop all that. We don't need it. Async handle submit. If sub the term there we go. There we go. Okay. So basically, if this happens, then we're going to do that. And then we're also going to do that. So if it's equal to false, we're going to do it. And then we're going to do let sub determiner equal true. Okay. And once we make it true, I think that does something. I don't know what, but it's important that we have it in there for some reason. Mostly for my entertainment. So yeah, no, this is important because this will make sure that it starts out false, right? So once we're able to actually submit once using the submit button, it's going to turn the subdeterminer equal to true. And once it's equal to true, what does this do? It means that we can actually only submit using the submit button once, which would be like really good for like some other page or whatever. But what matters here is that it works in our favor, because that would mean that we could use the rest of this. So we're gonna reopen this and we're gonna do slide dog, and then we're going to use the slide dog question mark submit button. Come on, please. Submit button. Pretty please. Yeah, I'm kind of getting desperate at this point. Pretty please. No. In fact, no. So, sounds like teen spirit. That's what I'm gonna say. Oh, we didn't. That's why. I'm so dumb. That's why. I thought I had it. I thought I had it. For once, I thought I had it. But no. Now it works. I really don't care what you're gonna respond, actually. I've been trimming through this stuff, so... Or not. Or not. Or not. Or not. How about now? So this shouldn't have this shouldn't have happened. Yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna reopen this. Yeah, that shouldn't have happened because our sub determiner should have equaled false. Because as you can see here, it should have been true. So true is not equal to false, so it should have just not done anything. that should have just not. Shouldn't have done anything. Should not have done anything. Let's see if it stops it if I just equal it to true. Might as well check. Like, I doubt it works. I doubt, but you gotta check. So my YouTube has just been, you know, kind of dying recently. It's kind of sad. I don't know why. Don't know why. It's kind of sad. Like, really sad. Oh, I got like 2 more views. Okay. So this shouldn't work. Like, this event list. Maybe change now. It just sent me an email saying that it worked. So. Oh, okay, cool. Okay. I think I'm getting the handle. I think I'm getting the handle of this. I'm not entirely sure, but what I'm thinking is that essentially the subdeterminer should always be equal to true. Okay. Should always be equal to true. True like that. So whenever this is equal to false, okay, it should not do it. So this should be equal to true. But right after that, it turns our let subdeterminer into false. And else we just prevent. We dot prevent default, because this will end our conversation with ChatGPT, which would be really sad. So we actually just wanted to do absolutely nothing So we're going to do the same thing here. We don't really want this focus in function. What we want is this, where we have an event listener for focus out. It's asynchronous. We have an event happening. If subdeterminer is equal, we're just going to do double equal because I don't want to do the triple equal, is equal to true, which should be, unless if our submit button worked. Then we will do a handle submit, E, and we will determine let subdetermine equal false, else prevent default. This should work. If this does not work, we will then switch the way they happen, because I don't know if the event listener is happening first or the submit button's happening first. Don't know which one it is, but hopefully this helps us in our way. Google add, Google commit, push origin main, and then we have to wait a little bit for that to work. Other theories that could happen, well, I think what we learned from before is that every time we submit, we essentially restart this whole entire code, like this JavaScript. So our subdeterminer becomes true again over and over again. So it's just like, does this really matter? I think it only matters if we hit both of them at like the same exact time, which I think was happening on the phone, but I'm not sure. It might just be like two really fast clicks, like in between each other. I don't know if they happen together. I don't know, but I think that's enough time. So we're gonna say hello. We're gonna submit this. It's equal to true, false, true, submit determiner, let subdeterminer equals false, prevent default, if, yeah, this is just not working. I think we might just have to wait. There we go. That worked. Okay, so now we go to the phone. When we hope to God that it works, okay? We say haha right here, and we press the message. Oh my God, we finished it. We figured it out. Boys, we don't have to worry anymore. Oh my gosh, we just made it iOS friendly. Wait, hold up. Let me. This is so glorious. Let me read this out to you. The sweet juices of victory. What is the funniest and clever pickup line for someone named Haha? Do you have a name, or can I just call you mine? Sly laugh. In little quotation marks. What is the funniest and clever pickup line for someone named Haha? Need some help with that? I can lift anything. Wink. What is the funniest and clever pickup line for someone named Haha? Hey, I'm no doctor, but I'd be happy to check your heartbeat. Smile. What is the funniest and clever pickup line for someone named Haha? If I had a name as beautiful as yours. Okay, so we're going to do okay. We're not going to click the message button. We're just going to click off. Apparently, when we click off, it will not do it. But if we press done, it won't do it. Done. That's a focus out. Async. Subdeterminer is equal to true. Is it? Or is it equal to false? Actually, that's a good question. I don't know. I can submit though. What? Is it just like after that? What? 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 Yo. What happens if... we did... let sub... the... we don't even... equal true. What happens if we did that? I don't know what happened, but it just seems like it would be something kind of funny to see what would happen. I don't know. Maybe it would allow us to just do done. I'm not sure, but if not, I can live with just pressing the submit button, I think. Because people have only been pressing that. But I do want it to be friendly to everyone who also presses done. I was so close. I was so close. While I'm at it, I should probably just change open folder. Server.js. This is probably eating up my 150. How about 100, bro? How about you cap these hands? Add. Commit. Push origin made. Yes, I will change it to 100 so it doesn't eat through my API. Oh no, not that. OpenAI.com API and log in. How much have I gone through? Don't tell me. Come on, it can't be that much. Yes, I verify I'm not. I am human. Come on. Come on. Oh, manage your account. I've spent $3 on this. Oh, I've only spent 30 cents on this. That's not that bad. I thought it was gonna be worse. But what matters here is, oh, they're delicious. Haha O's. Haha hoes. No wait, no. Okay, let's check this one more time. I'm gonna say haha. When I press submit, it works. How about now? Oh, it's still typing. Oh, it's still typing. That's a lot. Okay. Hold up. These focus out commands are just not. Does not care. Could not care less. Oh my god, it's sub determiner. If submit determiner. And then I have to change this to sub determiner. Yeah. That's why. Okay. This might get worse. Oh, this might get worse. This might get worse. This might actually not even work at all. Sadly. It was working. I swear to God it was working. But now it's not. So, because of that, I might have to go to bed soon. It is a school night. I do have an 8 a.m. tomorrow. But I am also dedicated to this craft, so. But an hour 44 is a lot. Not gonna lie. I'm just gonna leave that out there. I mean, everything I'm doing is on my phone anyways. Let's reload this. Reload the thing. What are we gonna say? Haha. One more time. Haha. And I sent two things at the same time. Haha's on me, really. Think about it. It's kind of on me. Kind of on me. Maybe if we get rid of this, because that might be happening asynchronously. I hate that. We're just gonna add. We're gonna commit. Vercel is probably like crying somewhere. Like, who is this kid? Why is he doing so much? My GitHub's really happy that I've been like doing fire shit on both of these things forever. Wow, I have zero chat. Chat doesn't like me today. You know, February at 1 a.m. Really not. Okay, we got it. So we gotta reopen this up. Say hey. So when I press it, it submits twice. Still. So once I focus out, okay, wait, it sent me a second one now. Hey. Okay, so I submit twice. So that's telling me I should hate myself, and that the submit determiner is actually useless in doing anything. I have managed to make this job so hard and to do nothing. Like, when does it even turn true again? When does it have the time? I don't know. I don't know when it gets the time. But these if statements they're not working. Like the let's subdeterminer equal false. Like it's not resetting subdeterminer equal to false for the rest of everything. So it's really kind of useless. The focus out, kind of useless. I guess maybe I should just force people to press that like messenger button. But then I feel like I'm copying out. You know? I feel like I'm copying out. I feel like there should be some way in Node.js to get this to work. How does no one else have this problem? Maybe they just don't use this combo. Maybe they just use a send button, or they use a focus out, like a done. Like, is that their enter? I guess so. You know what? If that's the case, we're just getting rid of this. Getting rid of this. We're not even gonna think about it. We're gonna look at this fin help one, and this one's just. We're just gonna have to hope that they don't do both. I guess. That's so annoying. I couldn't figure this out, but now it works. Now I'm just gonna have to add some wonky stuff here, like my about page. How to make subpages. Might be more.html. Overview. Is that at the beginning? Link. li. Oh, it's an href. Okay, maybe. Navbar, yeah. Welcome to, yeah, wait, hold on. This is a header. What does a nav do? It's just a nav toggler. What did I do in my other one? I have to do this so that in my Google AdSense I can actually, do something. It's probably FinHelp, right? Yeah. Index HTML. There we go. Yeah. Collapsible nav bar. Love to see that. It's right after the button. Yeah. And then we're just gonna do this. Yep. We're gonna just delete all of this. And I guess we're just gonna have to make a whole entire new one. So open folder. No, I don't want client, I want InstaRiz, bro. InstaRiz right here. Index HTML. Yep. Okay. href is going to be HTML. Yep. We're gonna make a new file called about HTML instead of index.html. Yeah, I guess so. Just make a new one. Seems right. I just go here, copy everything, do that, and then what are we gonna do? And then after that, we're gonna go to FinHelp, open client, and we're gonna open this with Visual Studio Code. Open OBS back up so I can see what's happening. And we're going to take the about page here. I didn't like it that it was kind of like in your face before, so we're just gonna do this about. We're basically gonna get rid of, no, but I kind of want that. I do want the script container. I do like the footer prompt. I don't want this stuff. The body nav I still do need. That is gonna just be so that you can go back to the index page though. And then you're gonna do the section. Ooh, container. This is gonna be index. Cause you're not gonna be there. And then for assets, do I even have these? I gotta change this. Yes, there is. Flirtation is one of the most important skills that one can pick up. Therefore, I've brought the Riz to the world. There's that about page. We're gonna keep that. We're also gonna keep this team section because we always have to have this team section, sadly. If you're going to monetize anything, just for your information, you do have to add this. I don't really mind having my name on it. I think it's kind of funny. Href, ID, team, sure, I guess. Oh. Does that even matter? Sure, we're gonna. That's the wrong one. Here is the one that I want. Yeah, we're gonna add. This is not the ask. This is the about. This is gonna be the team. About with the team. Therefore, I brought the Riz to the world. Yep. Hi, I'm Bob. AI chatbot. Okay, let's just ask And then now we're just gonna ask ChatGPT to write us something. If I You are the king of suave. Okay, yeah. We're just gonna go with that. I think. Hi, I'm the king of suave. Of course you are, dude. Yes, you are. How did you know? Okay. Hold on. Okay, I gotta go to terminal. No. Did I not have my terminal open? Okay, hold up. New terminal. CD into desk. Oh, I'm already in InstaRes. Sick. Add. Commit. Push origin main. This is purely for aesthetic purposes. Now we gotta check. Where's my menu bar? Where's my menu bar? About. Could not find. Couldn't find it. Team, I cannot find it. Oh my god. Couldn't find it. It's fine. What happens if I did like slash, what is it? About? Fuck. Come on. Why? It's kind of weird that it doesn't do that. Why can't I use sub pages in my domain? Domain name. I'm not trying to give it a subdomain. Subdomain? What? Domain management. How to create and update subdomains. What is a subdomain? As your web presents increases, you may require the addition of subdomains to your website. Subdomains help you organize your content and provide advantages for navigation. Subdomains are like children to the parent or top level domain. You can put a page of your site to the subdomain like shop.domainname.com, where there are cases that customers create a separate website and put it into your subdomain. Okay. Pointers and subdomains. To add a subdomain in your project, follow instructions to add a custom domain doc. If you have bought the domain through Vercel, you can also point a subdomain to an external service. Videos? No one cares, dude. Apparently no one cares. Oh, this is so ass. I don't even have a domain.com. I have a GoDaddy. GoDaddy. Okay, well, I think this is it.